Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Microsoft Store is blocked. Please contact your IT or system administrator in Windows 11. First method is type WS reset in Windows search bar, click WS reset. Second method is type regedit in Windows search bar, right-click run as administrator. Open require private store only, change value data to 0. Third method is type PowerShell in Windows search bar, right-click run as administrator. Copy command from description and paste it. Copy second command from description and paste it. Copy package full name and paste it. Third command from description and paste it. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.